Namaste and very warm welcome to all our esteemed guests, teachers, parents and my dear friends.
Today we are about to witness of a performance that is filled with energy, tradition and powerful expression.
Our talented 9th class boys are ready to set the stage on fire with a high energetic dance to the sensational song Ganga Renuka Talli, also known as the Jatara song from the much awaited movie Pushpa 2 The Rule.
This song is not just a dance, it is a celebration of our culture, spirit and devotion. It is inspired by the Gangamma Talli Jatara festival celebration.
Come on, Pushpa fans!
With their electrifying expressions, dynamic moves, intense energy, our boys are here to take you into the worlds of Pushpa's fearless spirit. So dear audience, let's give them a big round of applause.
రెడీ ఇప్పుడు సాంగ్ కాదు వెయిట్ సాంగ్ ఇప్పుడు ప్లే అవ్వాలి అంటే పిల్లలందరూ కలిసి తగ్గేదేలే అనాలి, ఓకేనా? నేను 3, 2, 1 చెప్తా. హలో, నేను చెప్పినప్పుడు చెప్పాలి. 3, 2, 1 ఇంకా ఎలా ఉందో చెప్పాలి. ఒక్కసారి గట్టిగా కమాన్. తిరిగిపోయింది, తగ్గేదేలా. బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఎలా నేను చెప్పాలి. సూపర్
Jatara festival to live with their powerful expressions, energetic moves.
A big thanks for our teacher for guiding these youngsters. The night is still young and we have many more exciting performance ahead. So stay with us.
Let's give them another thunderous round of applause for this outstanding performance.
Yes, fantastic. And next I'm inviting Venkateshwar Rao and Harindra to please come onto the stage.